Hello dear students. In this video, we will discuss about our second unit of Introduction to Syllabus. In the previous video, we discussed about the first unit, that is understanding the DNA, what are the content and the concepts. After that, in the last video, we discussed about the prokaryotic DNA replication, how the process of DNA replication get carried out, and what are the different raw material like enzymes, proteins, or the machineries or the factors that involve in the process of DNA replication. Some of the experiments like Michelson and Stahl experiment. What are the different modes of replication, that is semi-conservative, then the conservative mode of replication and the dispersive mode of replication. Also, like the model of DNA replication like rolling circle model, theta model and the linear DNA replication model, we get the basic idea or the understanding the titles of prokaryotic DNA replication. In this video, we will discuss about the second unit, that is mutation and revergence. So first of all, the mutation, what do you mean by mutation? Mutation is nothing but the spontaneous change or the induced change in the genetic sequence, and that will lead to the harmful effect. So this is the basic concept, that is mutation, that is any sudden change in the genetic sequence. And reversion is the type of mutation. So concept of mutation and types of mutation like nonsense mutation, missense mutation, silent mutation, conditional lethal mutation, some of them like temperature sensitive, amber, reverse and suppressor mutation. These are the types of mutation. We will get the examples of all the types of mutation and we'll study about brief the mutation types. So first one is the spontaneous mutation. How this process of spontaneous mutation get discovered? It is discovered through the fluctuation test. Then the mechanism of spontaneous mutation, isolation of mutant replica plate technique. So this replica plate technique, if you have gone through it or not, but when you will get the study of practical course SYBSc MB microbiology, in that replica plate technique or the isolation of mutant by the replica plate technique is the major practical that is included in your SYBSc microbiology practical course. Then second is the concept of induced mutation. Induced means that is the mutation, it is carried out by some of the agents like the physical agents or the chemical agents. So which are they and what are the types of induced mutation, like base pair substitution, in that transition, transversion, insertion and deletion. Physical mutagenic agents like UV and X-ray. You all know about UV. UV is the carcinogenic, X-ray is also carcinogenic, that causes the cancer if you have the exposure, regular exposure to these particular agents. Chemical agents like base analogs, 2-aminopurine, fibromyuracil, HNO2, alkylating agents, intercalating agents, ETBr like ethidium bromide and acridine orange. So how they get or how they change the genetic sequence, we will discuss all the mechanism in details with the examples with the upcoming lectures. So till then, study the basic ideas of mutation and the types of mutation. Go through the syllabus. If you have any questions, you can ask in the comment section. Thank you.